all Scar audio mids, as you can see. 8 in each door, 10 in each door, 4 6.5s in each door. Those are all on one Alphasonic 400x4.
Okay.
I have a Boss Audio 800x2, just pushing the 3.5-inch tweeters and the 4-inch BRV super tweeters. And then the 215s are on 2 Unreal 3600s at 0.45.
Nice. Are the subs inverted or mounted regular?
They're inverted.
Inverted, okay.
We'll do you some old school with the Sir Mix-a-Lot.
All right.
And that's down at 28 hertz.
Okay.
I'm tuned at 34 hertz.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
All Birch.
So you changed, okay. So your subs, are you got your 2 subs, 1 on each side?
Right.
Okay.
So still on the 23600s.
Yep.
We got the 145 amp hour lithium in here.
You have more port area too. Do you have,
Yeah,
did you open it?
the last 2 times you demoed in here, we had the top port.
Yeah.
Well, we got rid of that, decided to go center port and swapped out the chamber a little bit. So we've actually made the lower chamber a whole lot smaller.
So higher ratio too?
Yeah.
Better cone control?
2 to 1.5, I think.
Okay.
Or no.
You're like a 2.5 to 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah,
So what is your port area? Do you know? Are you tuning on it?
We're tuned at 34.
Yep.
I'm actually planning on shrinking it down a little bit, just so we can play a little higher and lower.
Lower, yeah. Okay.
But not really sure on the whole tuning thing. I didn't design it.
Yep. All good.
I just threw it together.
Yes, sir. And it's sealed all the way off?
Yeah, there's seal panels behind everything. This was just here as a deflector to get the shit to roll up and around the window.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Not quite done yet, obviously. You can see I still got to do the sides by the seat belts and all that. And
Yes, sir.
Run my panels down here and get this all finished up.
Yep.
So, I mean, it's a work in progress, but every time you see it, it's getting
a project.
better.
Awesome. Thank you, man. Can I see the back real quick, man?
Yeah, I'll
There we go. Thank you. Yeah. Less battery. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his system at the Slamfest audio show. He went from AGM batteries. He actually had 8. This was the previous video. I put that in the description if you haven't seen it already. And now he has just a 45 amp hour lithium. Big change going from AGM to lithium, and of course a lot of work on his box. I like that he has a center port now. He did a lot of adjustments and tuning on it and shrunk the port area to play a little bit lower, you're going to see during this demo. 2 of these amplifiers, they are rated at 3,600 watts RMS, a little bit underrated. I don't remember the exact on wiring that he had on them. So I did remember hearing his system 2 other times. So this is the 3rd time I've heard his system, and it definitely has gotten a little bit louder each time. And going from AGM to lithium seemed like he had a lot less weight on his load of his truck, and it got a little bit louder. It was pretty impressive to see that. So these are where the sub locations were. I did not get a camera shot behind them. Sorry about that, but this is what they look like from the prior video. I took a little snip for y'all so you can see. Total of 7,200 watts on 2 custom 15-inch subs. Fully custom, so no brand name specific. And if you haven't already, welcome to my channel, JacobViral. I do daily car audio videos. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to comment, let them know what you like about his system, and enjoy the demo.